touched
Okay, anyway. Oh, yeah. Ah! Fuck, man. Fuck you. Shut up, loser. You draw chuts for a living. Be quiet. Guys, are you sure we should... Oh, fuck.
Oh my god, are we actually in a cave?
Holy fuck. No! No. Jeez.
Come on, bro. It's not that scary. I'm Mr. Fearless, bro. I heard spider.
I hate the fucking spiders in this game, bro. Why are the spiders?
Spiders. I have
Like, the spiders are like actual models of fucking spiders. I don't know why.
Dude, I have arachnophobia. Please don't kill me, spider.
I'm gonna take a picture of a spider.
It doesn't do anything.
You sure about that?
You are not the brightest cookie in the jar, Mr. Fearless.
I'm aware of that.
I don't know how you do this without getting fucking scared as shit.
He's up here. Oh.
Is he coming?
He's not coming.
Yeah, he always
No, go
fucking
further.
falls like an
Go
idiot.
further.
Hi, idiot. Yo, I'm going back. I'm going back.
There's something green over there, guys. Something green. Let's go to the green thing.
Maybe it's the way.
Ah! Fucking loser. Ah!
Quiet.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
Hello there.
He just jumped. He died. He just jumped through the fucking ground. I'm so corny. I'm killing myself. That's not what I said. What? Oh. I don't want to step on this anymore. I'm scared as shit. I'm scared I'm gonna get fucking jump scared by something. Why are you becoming a turd?
I don't know color.
Right,
You look like the color of clay.
yeah, you're like white right now.
I want to be white or yellow. Hey.
Why do you want to be pissed?
I'm getting a banana.
I'm black, bro. You ready to change my
I don't think there is a banana, bro.
You put your mind to it. There's a banana.
Do you want me to show you where the banana? Oh shit. Okay, so there's no upstairs in this game for some reason. Don't touch that fucking mirror. Do not go touch that mirror. Good. And then you just go and touch it.
I'm not touching the mirror, you idiot.
Hey, don't call me that, asshole. Nothing's up there. We already checked. Yeah. Where the fuck is bro? Where is Cheese? I mean, where is Mr. Fearless? Where's File? There he is.
That's not me, dude. I'm in canyons right now.
No, you're not. Shut up. I can hear your voice.
Alright.
Oh my god. Why did you keep saying that?
It's over here. It's over here.
It's not even funny, bro.
Yeah, I'm the toughest person. Let's look at a mirror. See how tough I am.
I swear to god, if you touch that fucking
Swear to
mirror.
God, if you touch that mirror, you better not touch that mirror.
What if I juke him out?
I'm gonna touch the mirror.
I don't think that's possible.
Why on earth would you touch the mirror?
Nobody touched the mirror, okay?
Of all things to touch, why would you
music
touch the
stopped.
music?
Music just stopped.
Because you almost touched it, bro. I swear to god, if you touch it, we're all dead. In this entire radius, in this entire map, we are all dead. Unless we somehow run. I swear
What
to
are
god.
you doing?
I didn't.
You almost did.
Staying in the mirror.
Yeah, it's the monster, bro. He's ready to be killed.
It's Statue. His name is Statue.
I'm not.
Oh, fuck. I didn't even notice that. I didn't even notice that monster.
Yo, look at my boy. Wow,
I swear to fuck, if you touch that, I will kill you.
I turned monsters off.
You turned off what?
Turn off monsters in settings. You can touch it now.
Go touch it. Go touch it.
What is the panic button?
Okay, well, how about Philo? You press it, Mr. Fearless.
No, because I I feel like she should have a turn. Lucy, shut the fuck up.
Well, you're the one that turned it off, so I think you should press it, right?
Why do I look so bad?
Yeah, but I know, but Cheese should be.
No, Cheese already pressed it.
No, like Cheese is new though, so we should teach Cheese how to do this stuff.
Do what?
Cause I'm probably the like branch, bro.
Let me just lead this guy to the ground.
Bro, please stop. Freaking.
I let him. Oh yeah, he can come up here. Holy shit! Oh my god. Cheese, you might not want to walk on that. You might not want to walk on that.
Maybe more.
Yeah, get off of there, bro.
Move! Make him thumbnail. There, I made it.
Yo, let me get in the picture.
I just get jump scared.
No, that's what Lucy makes. If you do it, that's all you, man.
I'm getting.
We're all dead. I'm trying to get a fucking thumbnail, not die. I didn't even get that photo. I forgot to take the fucking photo. You might be stubborn. Why are you saying it's okay, where are you? Where are you? If you insist. Yeah, there's that big green button. I've heard the entity is over there somewhere, so if you want to walk over there like Mr. Fearless, they'll never find us here. Scream and run. No. That's a door, you idiot. Okay, come on, bro. Why do you have to be so inappropriate?
It looks like my skin.
Oh, I think it actually is made out of your texture.
I saw white.
Okay,
That's the way that this game renders.
are you sure you don't want to press that big green button?
No, I'm fearless. Alright, come on. I can assure you that we're safe.
Okay, well, you're leading.
We're not safe. We're not safe.
You made me press the button, bro. Fuck you. You're the one that made me. So, haha. Oh, there's Lucy. She's coming after you, man. How the fuck did you go through the wall? Why are you looking up like... What the fuck? Hey, look at me, look at me. What the fuck kind of reaction was that? I'm leaving. I just fell. I'm being violently taken up by Lucy. I found the top of the map by Lucy. If I don't fall on the fucking thing, I'm Just give it a try. There's no need to be scared of the
I swear
monsters.
to God, if my tracking gives out.
It probably will. I gotta jump down there. Holy shit. Daddy Blood's taking the safe way.
That's so. Oh my God, he can climb. Oh no.
Okay, my mic's back on. I actually turned off my mic somehow. Oh, I'm gonna lose my tracking. Oh my God, you're just leading him here. Holy shit, he's dead. What the fuck? Oh! Lucy, come on, man. What the fuck? I just saw you jump up. What the fuck are you doing? I don't understand how you survive it. He can climb up somehow. You're just teasing them. We're playing this YouTube game right now. How the fuck are you still alive? I'm fucked. I'm so fucked. Lucy! Why? I need to be ready, bro. If I fall off, I'm dead. I'm dead. He's what? Why does he have no audio?
I just want my...
There's a flying enemy, by the way. I don't know. It's the tiny little red one.
That red one.
Yes, he does. That little. I meant orange. Sorry, I meant orange. Well, he flies in canyons. What are you doing? Oh my god, you're bringing them up here. Oh my god. I'm here too.
Monster right there. I got this one.
I don't see him. Oh fuck! You're dead. He got. I just watched you instantly disappear. You're the type for dying. Why do we keep going into monkey marathon? Is there any other match that we can do? Ah! What if we did like Spider Forest? Oh no, wait, you have arachnophobia. Are you still alive? What's happening? I'm scared to do it.
Oh, he's so much up.
I dare you to jump down. I'll give you $1.
Oh, this one.
No, I'm still alive. Are you dead?